Did you know that Excel format as table has a lot more to offer than just some formatting? If you have a data set that is formatted as a table, you get an extra tab on the ribbon, Table Design. From here, you have lots of extra features that you can use. So for example, you can insert a slicer. That gives you a nice little visual feature to format or to filter. That gives you a nice little feature to use for formatting. So for example, I can put country in here, and I now have a quick and easy way to filter my data set by country. The other thing you can do with format as table is you can easily add additional rows or columns. So if I just add in one here with a formula and put a formula in, so units sold, for instance, times sales, you'll see here it automatically fills the formula right down for me. And the real benefit of that is if I start to add additional rows of data, we will find that it automatically extends the formula down for me. So I don't actually need to do any of that fill ahead of entering the data. And finally, if you use pivot tables, they're a really useful feature, because if I have a pivot table such as this built off a data set and I add in more rows of data to my data set, then the pivot table does not need to have the data source changed. So if I put in my new row of data here, all I will need to do is go to Pivot Table Analyze and refresh.